Hey there, this travel steam iron was sent to me to try out and share with you guys. So let's take a close look at it and see how well it does. So let's start with the cord. It has a nice long cord like a full-size iron. There's all the cord, so it's going to give me plenty of room to reach the outlet as well as wherever I need to iron. When the iron isn't in use, it wraps right around the handle here. And to keep the cord in place, there's also a place right on the top of the iron that the clip goes into and keeps it in place so it doesn't come unwound. The functions are similar to a full-size iron in that it has an adjustable dial here depending on how hot the iron is needed for the fabric. Proper temperatures are all included in the instruction manual. It has a dry or steam feature that is accessible depending on which way the switch is flipped. When you're using steam, it has a little tank right here, and it comes with a measuring cup with the maximum amount of liquid that can be put into the iron. It does recommend using distilled or filtered water for the iron to prolong the life of the iron itself. It also recommends about once a month cleaning the inside of the iron. To do that, you would mix half distilled water along with half white vinegar, put it through the iron on the steam function until it is empty, and then let it cool. Here's a closer look at the dial with the temperature settings. The first dot is for synthetics and silk with a temperature range of 158 to 248 Fahrenheit. Second setting is for wool, 212 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And the max level is for cotton and linen, which is 284 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. To add water to the iron, I'm just going to take off the lid there. Going to add water. Put the lid back on. Let's preheat this and see how it does on a shirt. It's currently preheating. Once the light goes out, we are ready to iron. So I started off ironing this side of the shirt with the buttons. With the iron being smaller, it went through the buttons nicely and I didn't have to make extra swipes like I do with a full-size iron. I thought it was doing a good job. I ironed the other side as well. I am getting a little bit of leaking of water from the iron itself, but I think that's pretty typical personally, so I'm not overly concerned with that. The iron did a good job on the sleeve of the shirt while I was doing that. Now let's take the collar of the shirt. It's pretty wrinkled, so I'm only gonna iron half of it so we can see the difference. My steam is on. Here's the half that was ironed. Here's the half that was not. So my ironing skills are not the best, but what I did iron, this little iron did a really good job with it. I like that it's compact and it's able to go in suitcases or luggage or duffel bags. I like that the cord wraps around completely and that little hook will keep it in place so it doesn't unravel. If you're looking for a small iron for either travel or maybe at home because you just don't have a whole lot of room, I hope this helps you decide on if this iron is a good product for you.